Hi, good afternoon from me, Andrew Merchant, agenceNEWTON, the French property specialists. So today I thought I'd bring you this lovely property we've got for sale. It's a big stone building which has been developed into 3 individual houses. It has a 2-bedroom house, a 3-bedroom house and a 4-bedroom house, and it's been renovated to a very high quality, and it's here waiting for you. So it's situated in the department 36, which is the Indre, which is in the centre of France. About 3 minutes drive from the town of St Benoit, which has all town amenities, including bars, restaurants and supermarkets. Sits on 5,000 square metres of its own land in a very, very secluded position, no overlooking neighbours. And it also comes with a wood burning hot tub, and 2 of the houses are being sold fully furnished. Currently on the market at €280,000, including agency fee. So I'm going to take you for a tour inside the 3 houses. If you like what you see, we'll meet you at the end and we'll discuss further where you can get more information and about visiting this property. And you could actually be in this property by Christmas. So we'll see you inside. Right, here we go. We're going into property number 1. This is the 2-bedroom property. Big open plan lounge dining room and fully fitted kitchen. It's quite a complex task for me to open up the shutters in this one, so I haven't actually opened up the shutters on this property. Downstairs toilet, which is always handy, and each of these properties has got a log burner as well. Going up to the first floor, you have a beautiful balcony there, having your croissants and coffee in the morning, overlooking the wood burning hot tub. Double bedroom with ensuite bathroom. And the second bedroom. I love the fact it's still got the exposed stone, because I do like exposed stone. Laundry area, and then we have another ensuite bathroom. So that's the first house. I'll meet you in the second one, which is the 4-bedroom house. So here we are in the second house, the 4-bedroom property. Same again, a very, very big, large, open plan lounge, kitchen, dining room. Beautiful log burner there. And same again, we have a downstairs toilet and cloakroom, which is always handy, especially if you're coming in from the terrace. Upstairs to the first floor. We have the laundry area, family bathroom, first bedroom, second bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and really nice views out onto the garden. Bedroom number 3, built-in wardrobe area, and bedroom number 4. Same again, built-in wardrobe area there. So there you go, that's house number 2. I'll meet you in house number 3. And here we are, house number 3. House number 3 is a little bit different because this would have been the original house for this property. The other 2 have been barn conversions. So as you can see, everything is very, very original here. But once again, fully fitted kitchen. This house also benefits from a downstairs bathroom, and as you'll see in a minute, also has a downstairs bedroom. Into this beautiful lounge, again with big log burner, so you're not going to go cold in here in the winter. Downstairs bedroom. And another laundry room. Going up to the first floor, we've got another 2 bedrooms, one with an ensuite. And ensuite bathroom, and then beautiful view out onto the garden. So what I'll do is I'll meet you at the front of the house. We'll do a quick tour around the garden, and then that will end my video. So here we are at the front of the property. It has garden to the front and to the rear, also accessing via 5-bar gates there. You can probably just see my car over there, so you can actually drive in and drive out of this property. It's situated on a very, very quiet country lane, so rush hour consists of maybe 1 tractor and a push bike. On this little building on the end here, we do have a lockable bike shed, and there is also a summer kitchen barbecue area. Plenty of places to seat in the summer. You've got the frontage of this and the rear part as well. And there's the hot tub we spoke about earlier on. Also comes with a hanger and a workshop, which goes down behind there. And then the garden just keeps going on to the large trees at the end there. Okay, so there you have it. This property is on the market for €280,000, including agency fee. 3 individual houses, so that's basically less than €95,000 per house. 2 of them are being sold furnished. 5,000 square metre garden, 2 to 3 minutes drive to the nearest town with all the amenities, yet you're in the countryside here in peace and tranquility. If you want more information, follow the link that I'm going to put on with this video, or go to www.agenceNEWTON.com, or you can message me, email me or phone me, and we can arrange a visit as soon as possible. And you could actually be in this property by Christmas. We can still do final signings before Christmas, so be quick, don't miss out on this one. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye bye for now.